Hello class, today we're going to be working with similar figures, and from the previous video we know that similar figures have congruent angles and corresponding sides. So on this video we're going to try and identify the congruent angles and the corresponding sides. So I'm going to start by labeling my congruent angles first. So if I look at the label for the first figure, it's ABC, and the second one is XYZ. So in order to identify my congruent angles, I know that on the first one, angle A is first, and on the second one, angle X is first. Therefore, I know that angle A would be congruent to angle X. And I'm going to write it over here as angle A congruent to angle X. Next one on my label is B. So I'm going to put that as number 2. And Y is number 2 on the second one. So therefore, I know that angle B, which I'm going to make 2 marks on, has to be congruent to angle Y. And then I'm going to write it over here on the side. Angle B congruent to angle Y. And the last one is the third angle, which is C. And it's Z on the second figure. So then I'm going to mark that with 3. 1, 2, 3. And I know that angle C is congruent to angle Z. Okay, so those are my congruent angles. Next, I'm going to identify the corresponding sides. And in order to identify the corresponding sides, I'm going to switch colors and then I'm going to label them right over here. My first triangle is A, B, C, and that has corresponding sides to X, Y, and Z. So therefore, the first side that I'm going to work with is AB, which is right here. And that's going to correspond to X, Y, and Z. As you notice, I am using my label and the order in which they're labeled to identify my sides. So therefore, I know that AB corresponds to X, Y. Next is BC, and that corresponds to YZ. So BC, I'm going to put 2 lines, and that corresponds to YZ. So it's BC corresponding to YZ. Last one would be A to Z to C and X to Z. Okay, and I'll mark that with 3 lines and 3 lines. So it would be A to Z and X to Z. So those are my corresponding sides. Okay, this one was pretty straightforward and simple because both triangles are facing the same direction. Now you will be running across some that are not quite as easy. They'll be in different angles or different directions. So it's going to be important that you follow the labels. Try and utilize the labels of each figure in order to identify your congruent angles and your corresponding sides. Okay, we will be practicing on a few figures on the next slides. Remember, utilize the labels to figure out your angles and your sides and mark them. Okay, good luck and enjoy the next slides.